Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have number 3 multiplied by y and negative number 1. Later that negative number 3 I will put on the right, so 3 plus 2 we have number 5. Next we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find the mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. So we see that positive number 3 next to y, that is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of 3s. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of 3s. This one we have e to the power of 3s over number 3, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 4. So I will put number 0 and number 4 to find the value of c. And now we simplify e to the power of 0, we have number 1. 5 over 3 I will put on the left. Number 4 minus 5 over 3. So we have c equals to 7 over 3. And now I will put 7 over 3 cone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.